Hi guys, this called a Henry. I call a fiber black. This is really good stuff. I know it is you on the roof, but when we use this in certain area that the car not riding, like they gotten better and better with the way I treat them last time. Even when my old house, you can see that easy fiber black roof coating. This one about when you can apply like a very single coat. Also, it could be about 24 hours to be dry. And I like this one. Look at this. Here I did this from yesterday. So I run out of time. Today is still nice. I'm not done with. So you can see all this. Well, you can see all this. This I open a new can from fiber. Really, really good stuff. You see that? This all I did from yesterday. I want to make sure that you guys don't put it on in the front because it won't be wet, and also it got sealed well on this. From yesterday I had no time to be video over this, but today I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay. I don't need a lot of tools. You see how much crack here? You can see it. I seal from here. See all the crack? Really mad. You can see it. Right? And I'm gonna seal them up all this by the way I'm doing. Right, you can see it. I want to dump it in. But I advise you cover on the side that the car not moving around. Make sure you don't step him into. He really mad. Okay. The water cannot go in. Also, after this, I will use the latex. The latex is going to be covered up because this one is very slippery, and they can be, but this one close to the hidden driveway. It's not far away from outside the center of the garage. I mean my driveway. That's why I can do it whatever I want. But this is good stuff. You can see it. This all this I repair. This is different with this. This I dump a lot, top driveway, asphalt on, and also I have a couple. They call latex. Got me a lot of time. Also this one, I have too many gaps, too many holes, and too many cracks. I cannot deal with. You see the crack here? I cannot deal with that. So that's why I use black coat fiber. You see all crack here? I want to seal them up a little bit more. Follow up down here. You can see right now. This one I did from yesterday and day before. Also see how much crack is gone through down. You can see all crack, right? This is supposed to be removed and put a new one on, but I don't like to do that. So I'm gonna try this. Also, you can see all crack here. Whatever low, I part them, make them even, but now you can see how low it is. You can see that. Also, you can see all crack here. The latex cannot be covered them up. You can see all crack here, and you can see that all that crack. Also, the side here, it look like almost like a center of driveway. We try to put very small amount here. You see all crack. But this one is completely dry. I can put my hand on it. but this with the, you know, like a top right way, also the latex. Here guys, you see crack here. Oh, that's what I'm going to use fiber coat top right way. Also down here, you can see the reason we're going to cover up all this, because we don't want, you know, the water leaking on. The water flows, you see up here, they down to the hill, so they're going to be really a lot of water they're going to run through this. Okay, not all fun, but all this corner here, I'm going to cover up with that all the small crack there. Okay, all right, thanks again guys. I like you like this video, subscribe for me the best you can, and what all about I'm a repair hold this right way. This will be complete, will be a little bit fiber on, and will be a little bit latex on. When after one next week I will put the latex on. So right now, thank you so much. Bye bye.